सत नाम सत।
The northern state of Punjab is also known as the breadbasket of India. The presence of abundant water resources and fertile soil make 84% of its land favorable for agriculture. But agriculture here comes at a cost. Every year, the paddy sown in the months of May and June is ready to harvest around October. After the harvest, the stalk left behind has to be pruned with hands. But the next sowing season arrives early, so the farmers burn the stubble to prepare the field for the next crop. This burning releases tons of toxic air pollutants into the atmosphere, and its effect can be seen 500 kilometers away.
Shifting focus now, Delhi's air continues to be hazardous.
As of this morning, the air quality has dipped to the severe category.
National capital Delhi woke up to another grey and smoggy morning as the national capital region's air quality continues to deteriorate.
Every winter, the capital city of Delhi witnesses a sharp decline in its air quality. That is when Delhi is called a gas chamber, with the AQI going as high as 900. To understand the situation better, we met Mahesh Palawat, the chief meteorologist of SkyMet, an organization that monitors air quality and forecasts weather in India.
Pollution is happening since last many years, but now pollution has increased significantly since last 5 to 7 years due to, we can say, climate change also, and now the weather pattern is also changing, wind direction, and the stubble burning which is taking place in the neighboring state of Punjab and Haryana. Punjab and Haryana is northwest of Delhi, and after the withdrawal of monsoon, usually in the month of October, wind direction changes from easterly to northwesterly. Smoke from stubble burning reaches to Delhi and NCR, and Delhi and NCR is very congested, or you can say very populated place. So, and simultaneously the temperatures also start decreasing during the month of October and November, leading to formation of haze, mist and shallow fog.
More than 70,000 agricultural fires were reported in 2020 from Punjab. Farmers are largely blamed for the smog and poor air quality in and around Delhi. Tracing the smog, we reached Taran Taran, a city that reported the highest number of farm fires from Punjab. About 90% of its land is used for agriculture. Manjinder, a local farmer, told us that they had been burning stubble for more than 20 years. The cost of labor and machinery required to get rid of the stock is so high that burning becomes an easier alternative.
मैडम इसका हल तो अभी मैंने देखा कोई नहीं है, क्योंकि वो बोलते हैं, कहते हैं जलाओ मत, ये मत करो, लेकिन किसान करेगा क्या? क्योंकि अभी जिसके पास 10 एकड़ ज़मीन है वो तो अपना मसला हल कर लेगा, वो तो अपना जो मशीन है वो भी ले आएगा, हैप्पी सीडर भी ले आएगा, और जो वो पराली के गट्टे बनाता है वो भी ले आएगा। लेकिन जो 2 एकड़ किसान का है वो कहाँ से लेगा? क्योंकि 8-10 लाख रुपया लग जाता है। पहले ट्रैक्टर लेगा, फिर वो पराली काटने वाली मशीन ले आएगा, फिर वो गट्टे बांधने वाली जो पराली बांधती वो ले आएगा, फिर अगर वो ले भी आया तो वो इतनी पराली रखेगा कहाँ? अभी पहले बोल रहे थे फैक्ट्रियों वाले ले जाएंगे, इसका कुछ गत्ता बनेगा, लेकिन कोई नहीं उठा रहा। अभी इधर देखा है वो अपना पास ही में डोटियाँ पिंड है, वहाँ पर भी चल रहा है वो, लेकिन वो कहता है 2-3 एकड़ के लेकर के, बाकी वहाँ पर ये पड़ा है। जो अपना जीरी होती थी थोड़ी सी करते थे, जहाँ से नहीं जाती, बाहर नहीं जाती थी, वो तो हाथ से काट लेते थे, जारनी भी सौखी थी। और अभी ये जोना है ना, एक काटना सिर्फ मशीन से कटेगा, ये हाथ से कटाई नहीं होती इसकी।
ये क्योंकि नया किस्म का
हाँ, नया किस्म का, इससे जो दाना ना ऊपर वो हाथ से नहीं निकलेगा, वो मशीन से ही निकलेगा। हाँ हाँ, तो फिर किसान भी वही बोल रहा है कि जिसका हमें सरकारी रेट मिल रहा है हम वही लगाएं।
For 5 years now, researchers from the Indian Agricultural Research Institute in Delhi have been working to find a solution for the farmers. In 2020, a capsule costing 5 rupees was released, which would decompose the stubble within a month's time.
You know, if you burn 1 ton of straw, almost 5.5 kilograms of nitrogen is lost, or 15 to 25 kilograms of phosphorus is lost, and also sulfur is lost. All these are lost as gaseous emissions. And when you burn 1 ton of straw, 400 kilograms of carbon is burnt. When the farmers burn million tons of straw, because Punjab and Haryana farmers have millions of hectares under this paddy. So you can well imagine how much of gaseous emission occurs every year. And even if they are not the sole contributors of the air pollution, definitely they are having a role in polluting the air and atmosphere. Pusa decomposer does this degradation part, degrades the straw and releases the nutrient. It is enriching the soil and making the soil much more healthier, which is very, very important for the next crop's productivity.
The institute distributed 5,000 decomposing kits to the state of Uttar Pradesh, 200 to Punjab and 500 to West Bengal. The capsule has been licensed to 8 companies, out of which 2 have started manufacturing it. Even the Delhi government carried out spraying of these decomposers on 800 hectares of agricultural land in the capital. In Jhuljuli village on the outskirts of Delhi, Deepak and Jiten Yadav signed up for spraying their fields with the stubble decomposers.
ये बहाई के कारण टूट गया है और अब ये गलेगा, लेकिन डिकम्पोज़र का इफ़ेक्ट नहीं हुआ, इस पे तो अभी कोई असर नहीं है। जो पानी से गल गया है वो टूट जाएगा, जो टूट गया बहाई में आ गया वो ऐसा है, और जो नहीं आया वो सभी की यही सिचुएशन है। ये बीच में से तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं टूटने वाला।
हमने अपनी तरफ से तो ये था ना कि भाई पूरा जोत करके और इसको ख़त्म हो जाएगा तभी हम बिजाई करेंगे, बस वो जो प्रोसीजर उसका या जो उसका इफ़ेक्ट हमें मिलना चाहिए था वो दिखा नहीं 20 दिन।
The Delhi government introduced several schemes to combat the smog. During the peak of the pollution last year, stubble burning was responsible for about 40% of the total pollution in Delhi. Construction activities, garbage burning, and factories are also some of the major contributors to the smog. This smog has adverse effects on public health, and according to a study by the British medical journal Lancet, 18% of the deaths in India in 2019 were due to the air pollution.
जो ट्रैफिक है या व्हीकल्स हैं उनको इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल अब धीरे धीरे आ रहे हैं। अगर इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल अगले 5 साल में हमें उम्मीद है कि जो सारे मैक्सिमम कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे तो उससे पॉल्यूशन काफ़ी ज़्यादा कम हो जाएगा और ग्रीन कवर को हमें रेस्टोर करना पड़ेगा। जितना भी हमने प्लांटेशन कम किया है तो उतना ज़्यादा अगर हम प्लांटेशन करेंगे तो धीरे धीरे पॉल्यूशन में फ़र्क पड़ेगा।
Despite the efforts to reduce the pollution, the authorities have failed to combat smog, depriving us of our basic right to breathe clean air.